Today I'm going to show you how to quickly square numbers that end in 5. My hope is that by the end of the video, you can work through examples like these in just a few seconds. So first things first, how does a trick work? How do you do it? There's just 2 steps we need to follow. Let's write down 85. We're going to use that as an example so that we can see how these steps apply. For step 1, really simple. Just write down 25. That's going to be the units and tens digit of our answer. Step 2 is relatively straightforward as well. We're going to take the remaining digits, in this case the 8, and we're going to multiply that by 1 plus itself. So 8 times 9. That gives us 72, and that's the rest of our answer. Not too bad. Let's take a look at why that actually works. We can see it with a little bit of basic algebra. So let's write down a5 squared. So a5 squared, we can rewrite that as 10a plus 5 squared, where 5 is the units digit. Remember, we're doing squares ending in 5, and a is the remaining digits. In the example that we just did, that would have been 8. And if we expand that out, we get 100a squared plus 100a plus 25. Feel free to pause it if you want to check me on that. But from there, we can factor out 100a from the first 2 terms, and we get 100a times a plus 1 plus 25. Now that explains the trick. Let's walk through it. So we've got the 25 term. The 25 is the units and tens digit of our answer. We see the first term has 100. So we know that's never going to impact the units or the tens digit. It's only going to impact the things that come later. So the 25, we write that down, and then 100a times a plus 1. We know that this is the rest of our answer because it's being multiplied by 100. So let's go back to the examples from the beginning. Why don't you take 10 seconds and give them a shot? See how you do. I hope it went well. If not, don't get discouraged. Just give it a little bit of practice.